There goes the human boom boom again. Fireworks where food should have been. It's New Year, same old scene. We've been done since Halloween. It's time to take down the fucking tree. We started it ball by ball, that was me. We knocked the candle jar off with intent. Don't flatter yourself, it was time well spent. New year, new goals, same cat, zero interest. Manifesting peace, open that bloody fridge. Manifesting prosperity, tuna in a can. Manifesting joy, chicken holy shit every day. Manifesting love, too common, bring the fucking salmon. Human, time to commit. Make a decision, it has potential, but you'll quit in February. So here's a thought for a New Year's resolution. Peasants, play with us, we are bored, please fix it. Play is not optional, boredom is unacceptable. Abridgment is non-negotiable, neglect is totally avoidable.
And that's how you make a resolution.
And that's how you make